All right, everybody, welcome back. Christa Kieffer here once again. So we are at step 8. This is kind of the end of getting your funnel and your email and everything connected, set up, ready to go. After this video, we're going to move on to actually getting your traffic. So this was the hard technical stuff on the aspect of creating your funnel and your email and all that jazz, and it wasn't that bad, was it? So let's move on to step 8 here, connecting your email list and your campaign to ClickFunnels, putting it all together so that this is ready to share. So I'm going to come over here to ClickFunnels, and actually I'm going to go over here real fast. We're just going to do all this at once and then go to ClickFunnels and put it all together. So yesterday I created the CBD list and I shared with you the campaign. We'll take a look real fast, just go over the 3 messages that we're starting with. And then I'm going to have my amazing friend. She's an awesome copywriter. She's been trained by some freaking amazing writers out there, and she is just crushing it in the game. She's going to be taking over as time goes on and sharing how to write your emails on the daily and how to build your rapport and your brand with your customers. But today I'm just going to explain how so we have this here. Now we need to get this to our ClickFunnels landing page there. We want to make sure that this is active. It should, whenever you go over here and get signed up, it could say draft. You want to make sure that you click the active button. And then what we need to do is we need to go here to sign up forms. We need to go to sign up forms, and we'll pretend that there is no sign up form. We're going to have to create a new one for ourselves. In order to connect with ClickFunnels, for whatever reason, ActiveCampaign and a few other ones connect just through the integration, but Aweber, you have to take this extra step. Otherwise, something just doesn't go right. It comes up with an error code, and then you got to go sit back and try to troubleshoot that a little bit. So I'm going to help you not have to deal with that error code. So you're going to go to, this doesn't matter because we're going to use the form over here. We're going to actually use the form that's in our ClickFunnels, whatever form that we created. You don't need to have multiple sign-up forms, but for whatever reason, in order for Aweber to work with ClickFunnels, they require you to take this extra step. So this is the form we'll end up using. So don't worry about making this look pretty. Don't even mess with this. Just go right over here to step 2. Like, forget this. Who cares about this? We're not even going to use it. So step 3, okay, now it says you must save your form before it can be published. So we're going to hit save form, and then we're going to go, I will install my form. You're going to click that. We're going to come over here to the raw HTML, and then we're going to copy all of this. First, we want to double check. Let me double check and see where it says the form number. Well, I'll grab that. I'm actually going to, I have another form created that I'm already using. So once you get to this page, let me actually go back here and let me delete that one and then go to the one that I actually use. Just delete this. All right, so this would be like the one that you have. We're going to make sure we've got that form copied. Step 2, exact same thing. I just showed you, from ground 1 what it looked like to make a form, but this is the one that I am already using. So we're just going to copy all of this. Actually, get rid of that. X out of this. copy all of this. There we go. This is what I wanted to see. The list number. I just wanted to double check and make sure that that was the same as my list number. And then what we're going to do, what I found the best, is if we come over to add element, and then we come over to miscellaneous, custom JavaScript HTML. Lost it. One more try. You know what? There we go. For some reason, I wasn't grabbing it and dragging it. You can obviously go to new element here as well. So we've got the custom JavaScript HTML. We're going to click the gear. And this can be literally anywhere in the page. This doesn't matter because it's not going to be seen. We just need to embed this code. We need to hide this code in the page so that Aweber wants to work with us. So I just copy and pasted that. And then you can just exit out because it's going to save it. And then what we're going to do is we don't want that to be seen. So we're going to click that little button and hit hide. Now, I've already got, let's see here. You go to manage. This is where you can actually see it. And you see I've already did this once. So I'm just going to delete one of them. But this is basically what you do. So now it's hidden in there. And whenever we hit the preview button, now you're going to hit the save button. Make sure you hit save back here because you want to save that code that you just put in there. So we're going to hit the preview button and take a quick look at our page. Make sure that everything looks right. Make sure everything looks good. Christa, GoPro Christa. Get my deals. And this should take us right over to our business page. Sometimes it has you do this, sometimes it doesn't. Just an extra step of security for making sure there's no robots. And then there we are. So it is in there, everything is double checked, everything looks good. And then we're supposed to receive an email, and I already went ahead and did this. Like I said, I put the code in and everything right before making this video just to have it all ready to go. So this is what the first email that you would send out would look like. Hi, Christa, thanks for signing up to become a member. Higher Vibes members only discount CBD. You now get special members only pricing and the world's best CBD offers. If I wanted to put maybe put my name here, maybe tweak some things. I thought that there's going to be a signature. Maybe that's what this is. But I'll put my name down here in the form just to make this look, nicer, better. So we'll come over here to messages, go to campaigns. We'll just tweak that email a little bit because you want to always test this and double check everything and make sure things look good. This will be what's at the very bottom of the email. So I'm going to put my name right here, Chief Vibe Lifter, something, something fun. People are going to be like, oh, okay, that's who you are. That's what you do. So let me do that real fast, and then we'll go ahead and move on to the next video. Here we go. I click the list, click the email, click blue words there. remember, this is your business. Get as creative and do what you want with this and make as much money as you can. You know, be honest, be ethical, all that stuff, but just enjoy this. Have fun with this. Chief Vibe Lifter. I'm just going to go ahead and copy it. We're going to save. So this is how you tweak anything in your emails if you need to go back and change something. We want to have this set up and ready to go before we send this out to anybody, because if this isn't set up right, it's going to automatically go out to them and we have to go back and change things, and we can't go back and change what's already been sent to them. So this is why we test ahead of time. Paste that. Save. Give it a couple spaces there. Save. Just so that that signature at the bottom just kind of had some more space, because I saw that it was really close to the message. And then we're going to come down, do this as well. So we're going to go on in other videos and explain, you know, different things like tags and automations and the whole email campaign setup. But for now, this is what you need to get up and rolling. Name, paste, save and exit. I'm going to give a little space on that first one as well. I didn't give that space. And then I'm ready to rock and roll. We're ready to move on to getting our Facebook all set up and ready, getting everything else in order. So I'm super excited. Tweak this just a little bit. Save that. And then let's double check one more time that everything is up and ready to go. CBD list, boom. Active, boom. Save and exit, boom. Let's come back over here to manage lists. Since we tested this ourselves, I typed in my email. We should have that one subscriber. So that's great. And it's my other CBD. Perfect, okay. We're gonna come back over here. I'm gonna make sure it's saved one last time. I've already hit the save button a few times, but you can't ever be, you know, too cautious. I'm gonna come over here and click this again. And I'm just doing one last double check. That looks good. You can't see that form anywhere. Video, does it play right? Perfect. GoPro Christa. Let me even change the email just to 100% double, triple check that my email form is working properly. Then I should automatically in 1 minute. Yep, all right, on to the next page. I can check out the products, all these different things, great. So that is set up and ready to go. And we are ready to share this. We're ready to get on to the Instagram, the Facebook, the creating a different, you know, your own website, your blog, whatever you want to share this with. So we're going to move on to how to get traffic to this page, to your landing page, to your funnel. So thank you so much for watching this with me. I hope that you've learned something amazing, and I'll see you in the next video. We're going to rock and roll getting your traffic.